Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable to display area grid on the Top War Battle game application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Click to the settings button at the lower left corner of the page and click to the second option, the settings. Here you can find the area grid display, and if you want to disable, just click to the next green circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.